Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys my packing essentials. Like, these are the things that when I travel I make sure and I pack because they are just lifesavers, especially now that I'm a family of 5 and when we're traveling. These are the things that I cannot afford to forget home, and they have just been a game changer for me. So let's get started. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Lois Raymond, and on this channel I'm all about helping and serving you navigate through life as a godly wife, woman, and mother. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please please, you're not going to regret it. Please subscribe to my channel. It's just going to help me, and hit the notification bell as well, so that whenever I upload a video you'll always be notified of it. I will try my best to post a video every week. I'm going to be posting 1 or 2 videos a week, so look out for them. Okay, so let's get started. So like, I remember when I just had to pack for me alone, and it was good. I was always the type of person, like, I always used to like to pack like the night before. But now that I am a mama of 3 boys, whenever we are going out, I start packing at least a week to 2 weeks prior my traveling, because packing could get crazy, and the last thing that I ever want to do is forget something. So the very first thing that is a must-have for me is packing cubes. Yes, pack in cubes. And you guys, you want to get the good quality one. If you're from Trinidad, I went to Minnesota and I got these packing cubes, and even though it was like affordable, the quality is not good, and it tears so easily, and it just irritates me so much. So get good quality packing cubes. But you guys, I bought different colors. I bought gray, I bought a peach, I bought a pink, I bought like a kind of a teal color, just that I bought 5 sets so that everyone could have their packing cubes. And this has definitely been a game changer for me. I must say though that the packing cubes, it takes up a lot of space in your suitcase. Like, it does not really save space, but it really helps you be organized. And what I noticed, you know, sometimes, especially if you have like clothes in a suitcase and you just empty in the suitcase, like your suitcase can look so untidy. The packing cubes just help you stay organized and just let your bag just looks so much more tidy. I used these packing cubes on the cruise that we went in, and it was a very small cabin, so we didn't have like a lot of space. And oh my gosh, this really helped me a lot. And you guys, I will be doing a video because I'm taking another trip soon, and I will actually be showing you guys how I pack for my kids when I'm traveling with them. But this has definitely been a game changer. Pack in cubes. I pack all my outfits in here, I pack the kids stuff in here, and it's so easy just to pull out a cube and just go with it. So I will go more in detail of how I actually use the cube to the best advantage to get optimum use out of it and just to be more organized. But you guys, I'm telling you, pack in cubes have definitely saved my life in just being more organized. Another must-have for me, you guys, is a laundry bag. Before having kids and I was just traveling by myself, I would just literally have plastic bags and just dump all my stuff in it. But you know, as I get a little older, I want to be more organized and, you know, have things looking more. I wanted to upgrade, you know. And I was like, you know what, let me invest in some laundry bags, you guys. So before, let me get the laundry bag that I used to use, right? My brother, they go India and they give them these laundry bags, and I took them, and this is what I used to use. But now that we are a family of 5, like, literally just our underwears could fit in there. So I went on Shein, you guys, and I bought this laundry bag. And for a matter of fact, I want to go back and buy like 2 more, because this size laundry bag will literally last us like about probably like 5 days. 5 days worth of clothes will fit in this laundry bag because we use a lot of clothes. It's like 5 people, right? But it just helps me we put all our dirty clothes in this laundry bag, and you know, that your clothes is just not all over the place, especially your dirty clothes, you know. So this is definitely a must-have for me. I travel with this just to put all our dirty clothes in one big, and this is really big. It holds a lot. And you guys, I paid like $3 for it on Shein, and it's great quality. It's great, absolutely great quality. It has like little what do you call this, handles on it, and it has like this drawstring that you can tie it. $3, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. But for me, definitely a laundry bag is a travel essential. Another thing that I bought on Shein as well, I paid like $3 or like $1 for these mesh bags. I think it was like $1 for a set of 12. And this is what I use. Again, before I used to use plastic bags to put my shoes, but I wanted to upgrade, and I bought these mesh bags that I put my shoes in when I'm packing. The only thing that I didn't like, I bought the wrong mesh bag, because I supposed to buy the one with the drawstring, and these don't have it. It's $1. I will just buy more, right, you guys? But this is what I love to put my shoes in, the kids' shoes in, dirty shoes and different things like that. So just a shoe bag is essential for me. Another must-have for me is dryer sheets. Yes, dryer sheets. And what I love to do with the dryer sheets, when I'm packing my bag, I like to slip these dryer sheets all over the crevices and the corners and into the clothes and into the shoes and stuff like that, just to maintain that nice smelling clean scent. And it just makes your clothes and your suitcase just smell really, really good. So this is a must-have for me. I just like to pack 1 or 2 dryer sheets just throughout my suitcase. Toiletry bag. Another essential for me is a toiletry bag, and I bought this one on Amazon and in a size large. You guys, when I tell you that every single thing fits in this toiletry bag, I'm not kidding you. For a family of 5, my husband's toiletry, my toiletry, and my kids' toiletry, for a family of 5, every single thing fits in this bag. And I just love this bag because I don't like to have like a bag for this and a bag for that and a bag for that, a bag, toiletry bag for my husband. Most of the times we use the same soap, the same, you know, cream and different things like that. So and the thing about it, not only do we use the same things, but I need to get like the large bottles in it because it's like for 5 of us for a week. So I can't just go with those travel size containers. I have to go like with the average, the normal size containers. And I don't know how, but everything, a lot of the creams, the creams, everything just fits in this. It's like a miracle bag. It really is. So I just love this. I love hanging it up. I don't hang it up, but I just really love this. It's a must-have for me, a toiletry bag. And as we are speaking about toiletry bag and pouches and purses, another must-have for me too as well is my makeup bag. And I love this bag because I think I saw some of these on Amazon as well. When you open it, it opens out like this, and that you can like put it on the table and it's open out. So I have a bag. This bag is I have one like this for my makeup because I don't want to put it in my toiletry bag and then it makes a mess and then my toiletry bag gets dirty. So I have one like this, which is black, which I love, and the inside is black as well. So I have one of this for my makeup and another one for my hair as well. Another must-have item is a jewelry organizer, and there's a small one. You don't have to get like the big one, just a small one to put your jewelry in so that you don't lose it. So a jewelry organizer, and you can find those on Amazon, and I found 1 or 2 on Shein as well. The seal locks. So I don't know if you guys ever used to do this, but I did it a lot, quite a lot. You know, when you used to like tape up your cream and your bottles so that it don't leak. That's what I do. I tape it up. I tape it up real good because I don't want it to leak. Well, guess what? There's this brand. It's called, I can't remember the name of it, but it's like a silicone, and you just slip it over your bottle and it does not leak. Your bottle does not leak at all. Shein, I looked on Shein as well, and Shein have some like that. So instead of just carrying duct tape and scotch tape just to tape around your bottles, you can get the leak locks. I believe it's called the leak locks, and just slip it over your bottles, and it will not leak at all. A neck pillow. Is it an essential? Like, it definitely was an essential for me when I did not have kids, but now that I have kids, you're like if I even get sleep, it's an honor. But you know, sometimes I use the neck pillows for my kids. My kids use the neck pillows, but definitely does come in handy, especially in those long flights where you know you just don't want to be like a bobblehead with your head just bubbling all over the place. So if you can invest in a neck pillow, it's definitely an essential for me. Passport holder. So we have a really good passport holder that we do use right now, but you guys, when you're a family of 5, like, you definitely have to have a passport holder or some type of, you know, folder to keep all those all those passports, because it's 5 passports, and sometimes we use some of the kids, I believe Aden and Raymond, they have to carry 2 passports, right? So you want, like, that's like a definite must have. A travel essential for me is just those passport holders where we can have all our passports there, keep our money, whatever we need in there for traveling. And lastly is this phone protector, especially if I'm going on vacation and I'll be bathing in the beach and I'll be bathing in the pool or wherever, just so that my phone don't get wet in the pool or in the beach. I just like to walk with this, and you can use it as an ID card. You can use it to put tickets, to put whatever you want, but I do use it in the pool and in the beach. And look out, you guys, very soon I will actually be doing a video on my kids pool and beach essentials, like what are my must-haves that I carry for the kids when we go to the pool and to the beach. But this is definitely a travel essential as well that I like to walk with. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like to see more video like this video and comment down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.